packing up an order really quick that came in over the weekend, and she wanted to know if she can get it by this Friday. It's Monday today, and thankfully I already had these fragrances pre-made. So all I had to do was quickly just switch out the label, and I'm shipping it out right away. And yeah, that worked out pretty nice. This is my Cabin in the Woods fragrance, and this is my fall scent Falling Leaves, which is always a bestseller. So she wanted 6 of these and then 7 of the Cabin in the Woods. And I'm just gonna pack them up real quick. I made custom little thank you stickers that's gonna go on the outside of my paper when I wrap them up, and that's it. These amber jars off of Amazon so that I can transfer some of my fragrance oils from the taller jars to the small one, just because when I put them in here, the lid doesn't close all the way because it's too big. The only reason why I wanna do that is because this space is open and it's in my living room in my home. So if I can just try to clean that up and make it a little bit neater, that would be great. And we are restocking a couple of things for the pop-up on the 22nd. I'm making some room sprays. I restocked some of the fragrances here. And then I just got a shipment of my 16-ounce jars that I do a custom order for this boutique out in Pennsylvania. So we have a lot of things going on. Hopefully, once I can get all this cleared out, maybe after the pop-up, I can finally film a studio tour and then show you guys everything. Guys, so today we're going to be working on some prep for our fall pop-up shop that we're doing on the 22nd of October, but I'm also working on a wholesale order at the same time because I need to get this out by Monday the latest. So I'm working on that. Last night I ended up refilling all of our room sprays. I didn't record that because it was a little bit too dark. I need to work on getting lighting in here because, as you can see, I have no lights. I'm really just working off of the lights coming in from the window. But yeah, so we're slowly restocking everything for the pop-up shop. There's some fragrances that I need to make more of, like Palo Santo and Bamboo Coconut Sea Salt, which is always my best seller. Yeah, so that's basically what we're working on. Oh, and I need to make so many lip balms and perfumes. Yeah, I need to work on all of those. You can see all of my wholesale orders there that I have pending. And that is the mission for today. Filling in that, and then also I need to just reorganize things because it's like really messy. Like, look at this. I don't know. I have to figure it out because technically the studio is in the middle of my apartment. So I need to make it look like a studio, but also feel homey and clean. So I don't know. We've also been debating switching the studio, which is currently in the dining room, over to that end where the living room is, and bringing the living room here so that when you walk in from the apartment, you're not hitting the face with my studio and all of my crap. So it could be off over there, and then plus I'll get all the natural light too. So that's something we're thinking about doing. We have the electrician here. He's switching all of our outlets from 2-prong to 3-prong because this apartment is actually super old. And yeah, mama can't work like that. I need lots and lots of outlets for my wax melter, printers, my work computer, everything. So that's what's being done. We may do a trip to IKEA, so that should be fun. Although one of my followers said don't buy any more IKEA stuff because her husband is gonna kill her. So make sure he's not watching. Send him to another room. And that's it. See you later. We're gonna get back to work, and I'm sure I'll talk to you again. Okay. Is this too big? No, this is fine. Got it. The idea was to put this in there. Okay. Ooh, how do I put it in there without, I just gotta drop it. Whoops. Oh, yeah. That's too much work for me to have to do that. Yeah, it is. Okay. Six. 7.
Almost finished, okay? We're gonna do this quick, okay? We're gonna be going soon, okay? Yes? Yes? Almost finished, okay?
Okay, so no, I can't fit 8. I can only fit, no, I can fit 8. All right, I did it. All right, so this is what I wanted to pack my tea lights in. And just imagine a cool little label here, and I can ship it in this box. Just have to make sure that I tape this down really good. And then if someone purchases it in a box, I can put this right into the box. Or I can ship it like this by itself. So that's pretty cool. I just don't know if I want to go through all that work cutting it in half because they don't have my custom size. So yeah, we'll figure that out. Okay, so we're working on wholesale and also restocking some of the shelves here for the pop-up on the 22nd. I also got an order for a wedding for November 11th. Beautiful date, 11/11. Yeah, so I need to make 140 tins for this wedding in November. And I need to do everything all at once. So there's gonna be a lot going on in the studio today. So we have that going on there. I'm gonna set up this table in a few to start working on that wedding order. I kind of wanna get a head start for it now, so this way I'm not overwhelmed later on in the month during the pop-up and stuff like that. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. And there goes Ellie. Look at all the new stuff they have here. I'm way too excited for this. Okay, this is good. I feel like I need something deeper to hold my my pegs. I think this will be a good idea. Right? Like my pot stirs?
Yeah.
So oh, it's a whole set, so you have to get the whole thing. Okay, see, now I have to get it. I'll get that. Yeah, we'll put it in the baby cart for now. Oh, you see, I only need one of these, but they only come in sets of 3. So I don't want that. Okay, so I just got the best idea. Actually, Peter had it. This is just a basic curtain rod, but I think I'm gonna get this so I can attach it to the wall right over my workshop table and have my little craft paper rolly thing that I have, and I can just pull it when I need it, and it's right there and it's not in the way. So I think that's a perfect idea. And it's only $5. You want to get this for what?
I don't know. I just feel like you can be a friend, like when you go to work.
Oh, him. I thought you...
I meant the desk. Of course I meant the desk.
Oh, you are talking about the desk.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, hold on. I got distracted. Look at this. Oh. Ooh, this is nice. Look at the backlight.
I want it.
Oh, this is so cute, though.